Hello, everyone.
How are you doing? Hello, my name is Toupatou.
Hello, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel. As you know, today you are going to learn the name of the fingers. Je vous allons apprendre non chaque dwèt que nous gagnons. Amen. Dans la vidéo, ça, parce que vous allez apprendre de nouvelles choses. Peut-être vous connaissez déjà, vous apprendre l'autre. Et peut-être vous ne jamais connaître, vous allez apprendre. Even child can learn with us. Même si moun ka apprendre avec nous. So what you have to do while I'm gonna get to pause, profit to share the video. Pendant ma propose, profitez partager vidéo nous, commenter, partager sur Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, quel que soit côté pour capable de joindre partager à amis. Pas faire chiche avec vidéo nous parce que n'a pas des monde. Click on this button. Cliquez sur le bouton ça parce que si vous faites paraître, c'est meilleur côté qu'on apprendre langue. Cliquez sur le bouton ça, des poils rouge, abonner et puis cliquez sur un petit bouton cloche notification pour mettre sous toute vidéo pour qu'à toujours joindre. Puis pas oublier la description tout pour qu'entrer dans le groupe Telegram nous parce que n'a pas pour travailler sur le groupe Telegram nous. I'm coming back. I am back. Welcome, ladies and gents. You are going to learn the name of each finger you have in your hand. This is the hand. As you can see, I draw our hand. Mwen dessine yon hand. This is called hand. Okay, like this. Hand. Hand. Ça prononce comme hand. I think you see it well. Hand. Ça prononce comme hand. Yes, I can write it right here. It's for you. Hand. It's very good now. Great. You got the hand. La main. So, really say your finger. Okay. Finger. Fingers. Because you're learning the name of the 5 fingers. Parce qu'on va pas apprendre non 5 doigts. You're learning the name of the 5 fingers. For singular, you say finger. For plural, you say fingers. Great. The fingers. Everyone has 5 fingers in their hands. Chaque moun gen 5 doigts nan men yo. Sometimes you can find a little finger here has 6 fingers. Nou kapab jwen nou ti doit la, gen moun ki kon gen ti doit la. My daughter has it. Piti, gen moun ki kon gen ki pi long, yo kon coupe yo. Generally, everybody should have 5 fingers. Okay? Généralement, tout moun doit gen 5 fingers. 5 doigts. The first finger is thumb. You do not pronounce the B consonant, the B. You do not pronounce that. You say thumb. It's thumb. Thumb. In some country, when you say that, in some culture, when you say that, like this, thumbs up, it's good. It's a positive thing. You're doing a great job. You say thumb. Okay, thumbs up. Good job. That means good job in some cultures. This is the first finger I show you. It is thumb. Okay, positive gesture. When you say thumb, it's a positive gesture. Thumb. Now, let's go to the second finger. The second finger is index finger. Index finger. Or you can call it pointer. Because they use this finger to point at somebody. I point at you, and I point at you. they call this finger pointer also, but its name is index finger. Okay, this is thumb, this is index finger or pointer. They use it to point to somebody. Okay, pointer. The third finger is middle finger. Middle finger, if you make this gesture, it's not good to make this kind of gesture. You're not polite when you make this gesture in many cultures. Li pa poli lo fait geste ça nan pile culture. In our culture, when you do that, in American culture, when you do that, it's bad. Okay? It's not wise. The passage. And then after, the fourth finger is the ring finger. When you get married, they put the ring here. They call this finger ring finger. Ring finger is the finger where you put the ring when you get married. The ring finger. Okay? Ring finger, c'est quatrième dwèt que vous gagnez, vous mettez bag. They use it to put ring. It's the ring finger. And then after the last finger is the little finger. The little finger, you can call it also pinky. The little finger, you use it to keep a promise. Donc on marie tout, oui, en dehors. L'un des petits. C'est pas en dehors seulement, l'un des petits. Ok, marie tout avant, tout. Ok, no marie. You use it to keep a promise. When you do that, you keep a promise. We keep tight. When you do that to your friend, that shows that you will never abandon. You will never leave your friend. You keep. Ça c'est parier, c'est non sens this gesture. C'est non sens pour montrer. You keep a promise. You will keep this as a promise. Okay. So you learn the 5 fingers. No, apprendre 5 fingers. You know, this is thumb. When you do that, you make a positive gesture. You encourage someone doing something. Like you say, okay, thumbs up. Great. Great job. This is a positive gesture to encourage. Okay, guys, we got now the second finger, which is index finger. You can call it pointer to point to somebody else. You call it pointer. Okay, to point. I point at you, you point to me, okay? You can call it index finger because I'm basically talking about fingers, generally the 5 fingers. You finish to learn this, which is thumb, you know, thumb. And this, the second one is index finger, or you can call it pointer. And this is the middle finger. Okay, middle finger. Middle finger, do not make this gesture because it's not wise. C'est pas sage du tout. And after we get the ring finger, where you can put the ring when you get married. This is the reason why you can see the girls or the women, when they want to show you that they are married women, they just say, you know, guys, you know, I'm married. You know, I'm married, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a married woman. Okay, mesdames yo plus aiment toucher, montrer ring. They show the ring finger. Good. The last is the little finger to keep a promise. Okay, now, so what about these? Esa yo, comment yo rele yo? These, and this is the palm. Ça c'est plat, the palm. Okay, like this. P-A-L, the palm. Good. This is the palm. These are the fingers, and each finger you got the nails. Okay, this is how you can write nail, which means zong. You say nail. For each hand you got nail, and then after these things you call them knuckle. Okay, knuckle or knuckles. You know, knuckles. You see them, right? You see them very well here. Knuckles. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 knuckles. Si sa ou kon gen la, wile yo knuckle en anglais. Knuckles. Nail, c'est ongles. Good. So I hope you learned many things in this video, in this quick video, short video, and it's gonna be helpful. Love you so much and catch you in the next video, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye.